Hello Paolo, my name is Eduardo from Boss Moto, representing a personal video for you for this beautiful 2011 Harley-Davidson. This is the Electric Light Touring, 40,073 kilometers, and the price is $17,988 plus HST and licensing. This motorcycle is fully safety and certified, and it comes with all these accessories on the unit. 2 antennas, and you have the luggage rack, and the motorcycle is very clean. You got an outlets for the charge your phone on the side, and the motorcycle it's available at this time. If you want me to secure this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you.